When I had the accident, I hurt my hip. I broke this hip, and this arm I ain't got properly right. I came home from hospital. I walked straight in on my 2 sticks. I sit down. I wonder soul in the place. I sit down. I look round. There wasn't a neighbour come and knocked at the door and said, "Could I make you a cup of tea or give you a cup of tea?" A Christmas Day, I was 89. Nobody, not even my people, never come and knocked at the door and said, "Here's a quarter of tea for you." Quarter of tea. So I dragged along in here for 13 weeks, like I am today. I'll show you how I had to get up and how I had to do for myself. Get out of bed, slip off, slip off, slip off, off, off. All round the room, all out the passage, all round. Pull myself up with the chairs. Pull myself up, round, as far as I could get round. Here, round, round. Round. After going all round the room and all round the passage and all. Pull myself up sometimes with the chairs would come on top of me, at least send me backwards. But I managed.
I don't think a community can prosper in these tall blocks of flats because they don't cater for it. It breeds anti-socialism because I like to keep myself to myself at the best of times. I mean, when I was living in a house, everybody you go by, you know them, so you said hello to them. But being now that I don't know them, I tend to get into the lift and I stand there and I don't say nothing. Press the button, get out and come in and close the door, and I don't see anybody else. All I see is my own family. I see people in the lift. They might live in a flat, so I don't know. I don't talk to them because I don't know who they are. I've not seen them before. I might see one here and there and I sort of say hello. You get to know the people after a while. I've been here nearly 3 years now. And I mean, I'm on nodding acquaintance with about 4 people, I think. The people across the balcony, obviously, because they live here, but I don't know anybody's name. I know nobody upstairs. I know nobody downstairs. So I would say that flats don't breed communities. They breed individuals, and people are gradually becoming like little cells. And that is the trouble with things today. Living in flats does shape your life, or living anywhere does shape your life and your character in years to come. So that is one of the reasons I want to get into the country, because I want my children to grow up in a nice, happy atmosphere and a friendly community. Now, I've had it many a time. We've gone out to the mother-in-law's, stayed down here, we've gone out to the woods or just out a little bit further where there's farms, and we've been playing by the water, and up comes a person, I mean, and they say to you, "Good morning, how do you feel?" and all that. So I mean, you get the community there. Whereas in London or in these flats, if you go down and you take your children anywhere, somebody comes up, "You can't do that, you're not allowed to go there, get off the grass, what you're doing on the grass, you're not allowed to do anything like that." It's all rules and regulations. It does breed people to get more, violent as it is today, because I mean, the new estate opened over there, and there's nothing for them to do here, people, or not so much people as children. And then when I say children, I mean boys and girls up to the age of 15, 16. They've got nothing, or they've got nothing at all over that age, but they went over them flats over there, and I was looking out and I could hear it smashing, and I thought it was milk bottles. And when I went down there, I went round, they'd smashed the complete lot of windows right the way along the new flats before they opened, and I think they'd done about £700 or £800 worth of damage.
I don't think I'd give it these places 20 or 30 years before they become slums. I think I'd give it 2 or 3 years, the way they're going at the moment. For example, the sheds being broken into. I mean, the kids all come along here, as we've been told that all the windows been smashed. About 300 windows been smashed. The sheds have all been broken into. But then again, I think it's for the teenagers, really. I mean, they all walk around here at night time in gangs. They get up to mischief, and it's only natural. They just haven't got anything to do. So they make themselves something to do by breaking into sheds, breaking windows.